While creating a recipe from a template, all products and packages in the template must be present and compatible at the location. Go to the recipe template and search for the batch or recipe that needs to be set up. Click on the Create button. A red thumbs down denotes that the product, package, and unit are not available at the location. To update the product and package together at the location, click on the package thumb and enable the checkbox through package location mapping. To update the unit, the Update Template feature will help modify the template recipe with a compatible unit. Enter PLU SKU number and sales price. After linking the recipe, you can create a recipe from the template. As displayed, the recipe template is now linked with 2 locations. Go to the recipe list and check if the recipes have been created and linked with the template. The edit option will not be available for linked recipes. Modifications will be possible through the recipe template now.